I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your address on Toptal, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Toptal account. Start by visiting the Toptal website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. Step 3. Edit your address. In the profile settings, look for the section labeled Contact Information or Address. Click on the Edit button next to it to make changes. Step 4. Enter your new address. Input your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any typos, especially in the zip code, as this can cause issues later. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your new address, scroll down and click the Save button to ensure your changes are updated in the system. Updating your address is straightforward, and it is always a good idea to verify that everything looks correct after saving. If you run into any issues, feel free to reach out to Toptal support for assistance. Happy updating!